Elevate your video's impact by mastering audio volume in Premiere Pro. First, let's tackle adjustments using the audio track mixer. You'll find this panel under the window menu if it's not already visible. Each fader in the audio track mixer controls the overall volume for an entire audio track. Simply click and drag a fader up to increase the volume or down to decrease it. The master fader controls the final output volume. Be mindful not to push your master fader into the red, as this can cause clipping and distortion. Aim to keep your levels within the acceptable range, usually indicated by the meters staying out of the red zone. For more specific control, you can adjust the volume of individual audio clips. Select the audio clip you want to modify directly on your timeline. Notice the thin blue line running horizontally across your selected audio clip. This line represents the clip's current volume level. To adjust the volume, simply click and drag this blue line upwards to increase the clip's volume, or downwards to decrease it. As you drag, you'll see small markers, called keyframes, appear on this line. These indicate the volume change over time. You can add more keyframes by holding down the Command key on Mac or Control key on Windows and clicking directly on the volume line. This allows you to create smooth volume fades in and out of your audio. By combining the overall track control in the audio track mixer with the precise clip volume adjustments, you can create perfectly balanced audio for your video. Experiment with these techniques to reduce background noise, enhance dialogue, and create a truly polished and professional soundtrack.